Welcome to Explore the World. This morning, I took a walk through Makongeni. It was cold, quiet, and peaceful. The streets were almost empty. Most shops were still closed. Only a few people moving around, wrapped in warm clothes, facing the chilly air. Makongeni has changed over time. Back then, life was slower. We had simple shops, dusty roads, and close-knit neighbors. Now, you can see the growth, more buildings, new businesses, better roads, but the spirit of the people is still the same. From the mama selling vegetables, the kids going to school, and the border riders starting their day, this is the heart of Makongeni. Thank you for watching. If you know Makongeni, how do you remember it? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Explore the World. See you in the next video.